It's time for a battle. It's the West Blend Air Crazy Popcorn Popper versus the family size silicone microwave popcorn popper by Pampered Chef. It's the old versus the new. It's the tried and true versus the foo-foo. Stay till the end to see the winner and get details on how you can win your own popcorn maker, arriving just in time for the Super Bowl. Stay tuned.
Hey you people, welcome to MommyRoomREDO.
Hey, this is my son Miles and I'm Monique. This is a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. And today we're going to be talking about popcorn.
Oh, that's great. I love popcorn.
Yes, popcorn is huge in our family. We're doing something special today. We're doing an old popcorn maker versus a new popcorn maker.
Interesting.
Yep. So this is called the West Blend Air Crazy Popcorn Maker. And we're using this brand, but it could be any brand of air popcorn makers. We're trying to see if this old school popcorn maker will outperform this new one. This is a silicone bowl popcorn maker that you put in the microwave. And it's by Pampered Chef.
Cool.
Alright, so we'll be using Orville Redenbacher popcorn kernels. So this should be super awesome. Alright, so you're going to be working the old and I'll work the new?
Sure.
Alright.
This is the West Blend Air Crazy Popcorn Maker. There's a little line in the container to show you where the limit is on your popcorn, or else you'll kind of explode. So just fill it up to the line. And you put the lid on so it doesn't fly everywhere. There's this little cup where you can put butter and salt in it. That's it for your popcorn. I'll grab a big bowl and turn it on.
Thanks, Miles. So now we're ready to work with the Pampered Chef popcorn maker. What you do is you use this cup on the top to measure the amount of popcorn that you put in your bowl. There's a line, and you make sure that you fill your popcorn up to that line. Then you pour it in. Alright. The cool thing about this particular one is it's all inclusive. It collapses so that it's easy to store. And once you stretch it out, you simply use this bowl for your popcorn bowl. Now Miles added his butter to the top, so I will do the same thing. I will put butter in this top. Close the cap. And you put it in the microwave for 2 minutes.
Hey guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and make sure you comment down below ideas that you have for us to try on our home.
Alright, now let's start.
So Miles' popcorn finished in under 2 minutes.
Nice spread. Yeah. I like the balls full.
So we had a bit of a problem with the Pampered Chef. Let's put it back in.
Well, I think we have a winner.
I think there's something going on with the Pampered Chef.
I like a lot of things extra crispy, but popcorn isn't one of them.
Yeah, the popcorn is a little extra crispy. I do like how the butter is already spread on it. I wonder if the brand has anything to do with it, the brand of popcorn. But, so Miles, what's the winner?
The West Brand Air Crazy Popcorn Maker.
Take 3.
Oh.
I don't know. We're just gonna have to call the company. It is not working.
Ain't that's that.
And we have tried this 3 times. And it is not working. So perhaps the Pampered Chef can tell us why this is not working.
Who's the Pampered Chef?
We just keep getting burnt popcorn. But this old-fashioned thing is, this old-fashioned popcorn maker is beat up. Look like it's falling apart, but we are still munching on this popcorn. If you've watched this much of the video, you must be wondering, how can you get your free popcorn maker? Well, we need you to do just 4 quick things. The first thing is, join the MommyRoomREDO Facebook page. That's where you can network with other moms and share your ideas and suggestions about how you design a kid-friendly home. Second, we need you to subscribe. When you subscribe, that tells YouTube that we're making content that people want to see. So your support in this area is super important. The third thing, like this video. Now, only like this video if you really like this video. But even if you don't, let us know that too and tell us how we can make things better. Finally, answer this question in the comment section below. What do you call a popcorn kernel that doesn't pop? We'll announce the winner of the popcorn maker in an upcoming video.